Hi everybody, Quadrajet Power here today. Got a 66 Quadrajet from 1966, and most 1967s had the same thing. They have the pressed in needle and seat and had the bypass hole over here that originally there was a plunger system in here, and actually the fuel came through this bypass hole to fill the bowl. That was how it was originally designed. Um, it was very dangerous. They had a lot of fires, had a lot of overflow problems with that. So um, we now have the replacement type needle and seat that's similar to the screw-in needle and seat itself, but requires blocking off the bypass hole and replacing the needle and seat itself. So I have it here. This is our, it's called, our SKU number is NSE. And so it has all of these parts in it that you can see here. And I'm just going to show you how to install this needle and seat in these early style Quadrajets. This originally had a plug in here. So I pulled this plug out. I'm going to discard that. And then there's another brass plug in our kit that's got an O-ring. So I'm going to put that O-ring on this brass plug. Then I'm going to place it in this bypass hole. I'm going to tap it down into place so that it's going to cover that hole and keep it blocked. There. So it's in place. It's going to hold that. Now the needle and seat itself, there's two little brackets that are in this, and it'll be held down with screws. And the kit comes with the screws and everything else. So we're going to put the rubber gasket on the needle and seat here. So on the long side, and that's going to slide into the hole. Rubber gasket's going to seal to the top of this. You have to tap it down slightly here to get it to seat. Just tapping it lightly across the top. You know, most of them need the smaller piece here to go over the top of it. That'll go down on, line up with the screw holes, and there's two little screws that would go to hold it in place. I see a lot of them without the screws. I see a lot of them different ways. I see different kind of plugs over here blocking the thing. There was many different things through the years. This is what our kit has, so I'm setting it up this way. I'm going to tighten those two little screws. Then we're good to go. This the needle itself is similar to the other type needle and seats. If you have run into those, we do have a clip for the float that'll go over. We set it the same way, set the float level the same way. But now this needle and seat is installed and it's ready to go in this early Quadrajet. Hope that helps. If you've got an early 66, 67, buy our kit, NSE, from quadrajetpower.com. Got all the parts you need. This assembly would come in our kit for these early types if you get our full kit. Any questions, email us, info@quadrajetpower.com. Got all the parts you need for any Quadrajet. Thanks for watching.